It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. Hello again.
Hello again.
Yeah. So, for people who've been following me since last year already, we've done a lap with this FK8, right? Or FK2. FK2, we've done a lap with it last year already, and it got a bit hot. So this year, the car is back with some cooling mods, right? As like a AirTech intercooler.
Bigger Tegra Alirad.
Yeah.
The Venturi air intake all the way to the turbo carbon.
Yeah.
AirTech front mount intercooler.
Yeah.
We went to AirTech for an oil cooler. You can't really see it.
Oil cooler over here.
Yeah.
But it's still gotten hot. Should have put, because we already done a lap, it's as you can see, it's sunny, it's not extremely hot. I think it's maybe 27 or 28 degrees. I should have put the GoPro probably on the temperature thing, so you could see how hot, but I was talking you through it, or I'm about to talk you through, as you will see the lap. But long story short, it's still gotten a bit hot, yeah. The good story is that the handling was really nice. I really enjoyed it. The drive was very good. Yeah.
At the Swive and Summit top strut mount.
Yeah.
It's had brand new OEM shockers and the lot works literally a month ago. Spoon rigid collars front and rear.
Yeah.
And I've got the Dream lower engine mount with the polybush. So.
Nice. No, overall, like I said, handling was phenomenal. Actually, before this, I drove a Lamborghini STO, and this handling was much more better than the Lambo. Much more refined. The only problem is, yeah, this gotten a bit too hot. But Lambo was also banned for noise, so there is that. In case you, speaking of noise, if you hear anything coming from the cabin in terms of wind, there are those thingies, so there's like air coming in. Good for the interior cooling, but maybe additional noise on camera. Yeah, liked it. The temps right now, they're actually good. So as of now, let me, it's 102 on the oil and the water is 86. So also when we stopped accelerating, it started dropping very quick. So overall, yeah, I don't know. It's really the turbocharged K series, like all the turbocharged Aero Hondas, they have this issue, whether it's FK2, FK8 and even FL5, it just nope, like FL5 is complete drama. So I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's like the ECU loop time under boost that it automatically puts the temperatures high by assumption. Some cars do that, but I don't know. Anyway, other than that, handling was great, brakes were good. We're on Cup 2s, right?
Yes, Cup 2s.
Yeah, Cup 2s, so the handling was very nice. They are not the newest ones anymore.
They
also
were brand new this week.
Yeah.
After a week of this.
Yeah. Brakes, what pads?
So from factory they come with the Brembo calipers, Brembo discs, Brembo pads. I've got braided lines running 660 fluid, and I've got Hell carbon shims to try and help with the heat.
Right. No, that was good. I mean, yeah, like I said, a bit hot, so you have kind of like half a lap, cool down, half a lap. So obviously enjoy the lap. And yeah, if you are FN2/FK8 owner who's familiar with the problem of having all the modified bits on it but still becoming too hot, let us know in the comments. Let's help each other out. So thanks for watching, enjoy the lap. Okay, let's not forget our season pass. Welcome on the Nürburgring. Everything is off. Unfortunately, FK8, like FN2 and other Hondas, they have speedometer upstairs, the rest of the dials downstairs. So I decided to put the speedometer camera, well, the GoPro on the speedometer for you guys, so you can see what's happening, what kind of speeds we're doing, and I will tell you if the car gets too hot or not. So Last year it didn't get too hot, so hopefully this year we're gonna have a bit of a, you know, better run. I also have matching gloves. Power is definitely enough. From an M2 competition behind us, so that's quite good. Need to feel out the brake pads a bit, but overall quite stiff brake pedal, which is good, so I need to get used to it. Good rotation. Today's also quite hot, it's like almost 30 degrees, so we need to, it's going to be a good test for the car compared with last year. Fun fact, the previous car that I drove was a Lamborghini STO, before that were a Vuelto, so now we're jumping in a front-wheel driven hot hatch. Quite a different experience. Getting the heel and toe a bit under control. Overall, so far so good. I like the handling of it. Speaking of the STO, you probably have seen the video already. It was a drama just like 2 years ago. Actually, this is much more better to drive. The Honda community is going wild now that the Honda Type R is better than a supercar track-focused Lamborghini. Slightly. Now we're going in third. That was the fifth. The oil is already 122. We're only like 5th kilometer of driving. This is kilometer number 6 on the track, but it counts from different points, so I think we can do a full lap. I think we'll have to slow down a bit. Definitely. Whoa, last moment turn in. I mean, what are you doing? I mean, are you indicating where I'm allowed to, or you want me to overtake, or because usually you indicate where you're gonna stay. Very good grip and nice rotation too. Really nice. Quite happy. This was nice. Car done like a two-wheel motion almost. Oil 127. Maybe let's not do that. 128. So we'll go to the lowest section of the track. After that we will just like really slow down a bit on the climb. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Really unfortunate. But the handling is really nice. I could not do this with the STO to go this much on the gas mid-corner. Suspension is very compliant, engine is good, but we are 130 on engine oil temp, 111 on water temp, and we're halfway through the lap. The owner is sitting behind, not in the car, but in the Seat that you will see catching up with us in a bit. So he will probably know what the deal is, since we'll be driving a bit slower. So do I want to put the AC full blast on hot? Do I want to do this with myself? Nah, the temperatures are dropping as well, so Yeah, he probably knows. A good old Cupra beats the Type R in heat management. Temps are dropping. I mean, right now we're 126, 106 on water, which is still insane high. I mean, the outside temperatures are below 30, I think, maybe like 27, 28. So, oh, there's some other traffic catching up. We'll just indicate to the right, let them pass. We're gonna get passed by a Miata. It's not something to be ashamed of, but that Miata probably has less than half the horsepower, maybe 1/3 of the horsepower, and it can go all day long without having any issues, without any problem. It's also from Cyprus. Interesting. And he's about to go to Hohe-Acht, which is like a high section of the track. So it doesn't mean that Hohe-Acht is about to become Cypress Hill. Misha, are you insane in the membrane to make these kind of bad jokes or dad jokes? We know you're a dad, but come on. Yeah. Well, oil is 120. Water temp is 100. So I think we can give it a little push from here once we're on the high section, because there is like no pressure on the engine anymore. Should we give it a go? Alright, off we go. Fourth, third, chop chop. Should not get too close to this car because we need some airflow. But he's probably thinking like, bro, I just passed you, you were slow. I'm not gonna move over for you, because... But I can use the power now, so... That was nice, with the rotation, with all the braking and lift up oversteer. I wonder where like Stayside Supercar is on Auto Addiction. It's a bit empty. Even a bit of scraping. Yeah, now we're talking. Good feature there. Oil is back at 130, so yeah. Should not look at the oil at the apex. Yeah. We made it. 133 on the oil, 117, 118 on water. Damn. Yeah. Still overheating problems. Even as far as I remember, it's less hot than it was last year. So, yeah. Hot. But yeah, we made it. So overall, I like the car. I mean, in terms of handling, I mean, let's do the outro. Let's quickly talk with how it went and everything.